Alright, so I finally succeeded to program my generic STM32 board, which I bought on AliExpress using my ST-Link. And the way I do it is, well, firstly, I need to install the driver, the ST-Link driver, and I got this driver from STM website. And after that, I installed this file from Roger, and I watched his YouTube videos on how to install the file, which is basically just copy and paste the file into the Arduino directory. And then soon after that file already being pasted, I go to tool, and the board, the generic board is listed, and I just select that as my board, and all of the other settings, and I just change the upload method to ST-Link. And soon after I've done that, the Arduino IDE will says this at the near bottom, and it says the board is generic STM32, and the program method is ST-Link, and the compile could be safely ignored. And then soon after that, the whole thing works perfectly. And now, as you can see, the board is blinking. I mean, the LED is blinking at the rate of 1 Hz. And you'll notice that the board says PC13 next to the green LED. And if I change the code, so as you can see here, the P mode is now PC13 because that's what it says on my board. And then if I change the delay value, and then if I click the upload button, you will see that the ST-Link will program the device, I mean the board, straight away. And now the LED blinks much faster. So yeah, big thanks to Roger for sharing his project, and hopefully I can do something useful with this board.